Hey there, welcome back to Stupid Game Experiments. Today is the start of one of my stupidest experiments yet. Starting today, I'm going to build the exact same game in 3 of the most popular game engines, Unity, Unreal, and Godot. That's right, it does not get much stupider than making literally 3 times as much work for yourself. Of course, you all get to benefit from my stupidity by seeing step by step how all 3 engines stack up against one another. As always, I do upload videos every single day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you do not miss out on a moment of this 3-engine journey. And now that I made that shameless plug, let's talk about the game I'll be making. I actually came up with this game idea several years ago while watching a GDC talk about N++. The number one thing that stuck out to me at the time was that it was a successful game with a brutally simple art style. The GDC talk even made this sound like a smart design choice because it quickly allowed players to see what was going on. At the time, I had no artistic ability, so this sounded like a great idea to me. As a side note, I still have no artistic ability, but I've since learned the super secret advanced game dev strategy of buying assets off the asset store. Now, while I am making a game very similar to N++ in aesthetic, obviously I can't just rip off the entire game, so how is my game going to be unique? Aside from it being made in 3 different game engines simultaneously because I'm an idiot. Well, N++ is a precision platformer, and my game is not going to be that. I don't actually know what the genre for this type of game is, so let me explain what it is, and hopefully one of you will tell me in the comments the name of the genre. In N++, you control a guy that runs around. In my game, you control a spaceship that's a physics object in 0 gravity. This means your movement doesn't stop when you let go of the acceleration button. Instead, you keep going in the same direction until you run into something and then you bounce off it in the opposite direction. Also, there are only 4 controls. Acceleration makes you go forward, turn right, turn left, and flip 180 degrees. A big part of the challenge is that there is no brake. You can flip 180 and accelerate to slow down, but that's it. So like I said, if someone knows the name of this genre, please put it in the comments below. The first person to give me what I consider to be the right answer wins 100 flame emoticons. Totally worth it. My working title for this game is SH++. It's a play on N++ and the word ship because you're in a spaceship. But also, it kind of looks like it's bleeping out a swear word, which offers all kinds of possibilities. In case it isn't clear yet, this will be a 2D game. This is partially because I'm more familiar with Unreal Engine than Unity and Godot. So in theory, this gives those game engines an advantage. However, it's also just partially to show that you can make a 2D game in Unreal Engine. As for the programming of the game, I expect the gameplay mechanics to all be pretty straightforward. There are only 4 controls for the player, and I don't expect the obstacles or the enemies to be that complex either. The real complexity will come from some of the bonus features I'm considering adding. First, I'd like to release this as a mobile game with ads. I don't expect it to generate a lot of revenue, but if I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of 3 different engines, mobile and mobile ads seem like 2 things worth comparing. The second thing I'm debating adding is an in-game level creator because this game probably needs a lot of levels and I hate creating levels. If I did that, it would be for the PC version only and will require me to figure out how to allow players to share the maps. The third option, which is actually on the top of my bonus feature list, is online leaderboards for each level. This is my white whale, and if I could figure it out, it would make me very happy. Finally, my last big bonus feature is multiplayer. This could be in the form of either racing levels or co-op modes or both. However, this would probably require special maps, and again, I hate making levels. All of these bonus features are contingent on me retaining interest in building the game, and the biggest motivator of my interest is audience feedback. So if SH++ sounds like a game you want to see made, or if you just want to see me torture myself trying to make it in 3 different game engines all at once, make sure you hit that like button, share this video, or leave a comment below with your cleverest SH++ pun, and maybe I'll use it in the title of one of my videos. Don't forget, I upload every single day, so if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. There are also links to the game in the description and the pinned comments below, so take a minute and check those out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.